Prebiotics are non-digestible carbohydrates that selectively stimulate the growth and activity of beneficial gut bacteria. Some beneficial gut bacteria can metabolize prebiotics, which gives them a growth advantage. Inadequate consumption of prebiotics can lead to dysbiosis, an imbalance of the good and bad bacteria in the intestine. Dysbiosis has been associated with poor diet, diseases like obesity and inflammatory bowel disease, surgery, and inappropriate use of antibiotics. Some prebiotics have more specialized benefits and can play a protective role in gut function. This is especially true for selected oligosaccharides called 2'-fucosyllactose, or 2FL, that are naturally produced and are identical to oligosaccharides originally identified in breast milk, referred to as human milk oligosaccharides, or HMO. The structure of HMO is a backbone of polymers of glucose and galactose. HMO contain either fucose or sialic acid. 2'-fucosyllactose, 3'-sialolactose, and 6'-sialolactose represent the largest fractions of fucosylated and sialylated oligosaccharides, respectively. They've been shown to stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria known as Bifidobacteria. Other potentially pathogenic bacteria cannot metabolize these oligosaccharides. Because the pathogenic bacteria cannot metabolize the oligosaccharides, they are at a growth disadvantage. Thus, the specialized oligosaccharides aid in reducing or eliminating pathogenic bacteria from the digestive tract. The specialized oligosaccharides can do much more than just serve as food for beneficial bacteria. Pathogenic bacteria initiate infection in the gut by binding to specific structures present on intestinal epithelial cells. The specialized oligosaccharides mimic the structures found on intestinal epithelial cells and become available for binding to the pathogenic bacteria. The pathogens encounter the specialized oligosaccharides in the lumen before they are able to come into contact with intestinal epithelial cells. The pathogens cannot distinguish between the specialized oligosaccharides and the structures on human gut cells, so they bind to the oligosaccharides, cannot initiate the infection process, and are eliminated from the body. The action of these specialized oligosaccharides can reduce total negative pathogens in the gut, provide gut barrier protection, and enhance healthy and more regular gut function. This process might not only be relevant to pathogens in the gastrointestinal system that cause diseases like diarrhea, for example. Indeed, it may also occur in the respiratory system, and the oligosaccharides may protect from otitis media, or in the urinary system where the oligosaccharides may protect from urinary tract infections. Furthermore, once ingested, the oligosaccharides are absorbed and enter the bloodstream. They may stimulate the immune system and reduce the risk of developing allergies or asthma in babies. Some research suggests that they contribute to brain development. Finally, scientists are investigating if these specialized oligosaccharides can result in better long-term health outcomes through their protective effect from digestive diseases and from diseases like obesity, inflammatory bowel disease, and others in which the gut influences metabolic processes. It is clear that these natural prebiotics play a major role in the health of babies and adults, and may have a major clinical impact on long-term health.